Hey guys, welcome back to the Whiskey Pete Project. Little recap. We got the overhead run last week, got our covers on. She's good to go on the top. So this week, going to be a little bit shorter. We're going to put some of the front on and hang the turbo on the exhaust manifold. We'll see where we get to. We're originally going to put the dampener on today, but we ran into a little snag. A little hub, the nose cone broke off, so we're gonna have to get us a new little hub, so that'll have to wait. So we're gonna go ahead and shim this cam. I purposely left this like this because with the followers off, we could have put a dial indicator and pried on the cam and been able to check play. I'm just going to show you how you can do this in the truck without a dial indicator. I mean, it's not going to be perfect, but it's just going to give you another option. Okay, so what you do is you take your O-ring off. Okay, and there's a big O-ring that goes there, and this is a shim stack that allows you to shim it. So and it only goes one way. If you remember, the part number goes up. That'll keep it so the things line up for you. So put it in there without shims or an O-ring. It's tight up against there. We'll just tap it and make sure. So like I said, this isn't scientific by any means, but this is how you can do this. So then you grab your shim stack and you want it to just not fit, just start to go. So you can just grab a stack of shims, and right now that will not go in there. So just take one out. There's different thicknesses, but we'll just sit here and play with it a little bit. If you run into a problem where your engine position sensor is getting hit with the cam a lot, and there's probably a lot of play back and forth, and you can adjust that here. So that's a little loose, so I'm going to go back with the thick one. Oh, and these only go one way too, but there's a little notch, so as long as you got the notches line up, all the bolt holes will line up. I'm going to take one of these thin ones out. Like I said, it's just messing with it a little bit. But just a little bit of trial and error. Right, like that. So that's just starting to go, and it's tight. So that's where I'm going to go with it. Like I said, it's not scientific. Someone's going to say it's wrong, but I've done it a lot, and that'll work. So the biggest thing is you don't want to get these all flopping around on there, because you'll never get the bolt holes lined up again. So like I said, they only line up in one spot, so and that would be it. So we're going to go with that shim stack. This is our O-ring. Once that's on there, it's in there pretty good, so that's why you take the O-ring off to check your play. Just lube it up a little bit. I put a little bit in there because the front nose of that cam is riding in there. Alright. Now you don't want to let your shim spin, or it's a little bit of a hassle. Stay there. As you can see, I'm not clear in yet, but I'm going to get this shim stack lined up a little bit before I have trouble. All right. Okay. We're in there. So like I said, the dampener's next. It can't go on first because it covers up here. So, but our hub broke, so we're going to get a new hub. No big deal, just sets us back, right? So, I still don't know what we're doing with the pulley system yet. It's probably going to be V-belt. It's just easier for me and everything, probably got a fan hub laying around that's got that, but we'll decide. Not 100% sure there, so let's move on to the turbo. Get that baby hanging on there. All right, we got our studs here. This full tilt manifold looks pretty good, don't it? I like it. And these don't need to be extremely tight, but we'll just get a vice grip and tighten them up, or a pair of pliers. Something like so, without ruining everything. All right. Gasket. There, now it won't fall off at least. All right, now get it snugged up. It's extra quiet today. I don't have any trivia or anything else. One thing I will say though, if you're watching this on Facebook, go subscribe. It is $1.99, I think, but we're gonna start doing a giveaway once a month. It's gonna be random stuff. It's not anything major, but it might range from as small as a t-shirt or a mug or something like that, up to maybe a few $100 gift card somewhere, whether it's Love's or TA or a food place or something like that. So we're going to be giving something to our subscribers. So go subscribe, get in the drawing every month. We will draw that live, so you know that people are winning. And it's not some fake thing, but yeah, we'll put all our subscribers in a little Rolodex reel or whatever we decide to do, and we'll flip through it and pick someone and give something away each month. So go subscribe. $1.99 on Facebook. Help support us doing this videos and everything, and hopefully you'll win something along the way. Okay, turbo's on. We got I don't know if you see there, we got a little nice billet wheel in there. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's taking shape. So we got thermostat housing, water pump that we'll be putting on. As soon as we get the hub, or the new hub, we'll put the dampener on. Lots of little stuff that, I know I said I'll film every aspect of this, but I may or may not. I mean, we got plumbing to the turbo. I mean, I may just throw some lines on. So I'll try and recap that if I end up doing that without filming. I won't do anything major, but we might do a little plumbing just because some of it's trial and error anyway. So but yeah, hopefully we get the truck in here. You know, I don't know what winter's like across the country, but in Utah it's been pretty mild, and I thought we'd be getting snowed on, and we haven't had any to speak of. So the truck's been outside, and we've been so busy in the shop we can't get it in anyway, so it kind of worked out that way. But we could use some snow, there's no doubt about that. So next week, yeah, I think we'll try and get the dampener on, water pump, thermostat, and then we can start working on the fuel pump side, wiring harness, all that kind of stuff. We're getting close, but still a long ways to go. Anyway, thanks for watching. Maybe a little shorter video today, just a couple things, but looks like a motor now. Go subscribe if you haven't. Tell all your friends.
Check out the merch store.
Oh yeah, check out the merch store. We got hoodies, t-shirts, mugs, hats, stuff like that. Go get yourself something, and we will be doing a giveaway. I think we're going to start that March 1st. Is that what you said? Yeah, so giveaway March 1st. So the first of every month we will do a live giveaway. Like I said, might be something small, might be something better. You never know. Each month's going to be different. We'll just randomly pick something. So go get subscribed so you can get in the drawing. And thanks for all your support. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments. More Whiskey Pete to come next week.